A cloud ERP system offers many benefits to businesses. Is this true for a manufacturing organisation?
Yeah, it's interesting, I think. We tend to think of manufacturers as being somewhat earthbound, right? Their businesses are about engineering big or complex and often big pieces of kit and processing really tangible stuff that we can feel. Big investments in production machinery, in control systems, in measurement, in making things like food or medical equipment or, like I said, industrial machinery. They've got big investments in warehouses. These are all kind of big, touchy things, right? However, what cloud ERP brings is somewhat more intangible. You can't see it. You can't see the cloud, right? But what it brings to a manufacturer in terms of speed of execution of business and the facilitation of better decision making, of greater sustainability, of increased health and safety within the business is something that is starting to really change the way that manufacturers think about the way that they should run. So they get to worry about what's happening day in, day out on the shop floor without having to be concerned about running an ERP system. In the sense of the infrastructure to run it, the people to run it, making sure that the security is all up to date. We've all seen and heard and maybe even been a victim of the increasing rise of cybercrime. So being able to take all those concerns away and make them somebody else's problem by simply paying a monthly fee is a really attractive option for an increasing number of manufacturers.